I'm meteorologist Carl Bonak. Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for December 20th and 21st. Officially on the 20th, a high of 20 and a low of 16. Put it all together, actually just above average by 1 degree. The first above average day since way back on December the 4th. It's been as cold on this date, the 20th, of 28 below. That's the coldest ever recorded since the Weather Service has started record keeping up on the hill at the National Weather Service site near Negaunee during the month of December. And there was some snow early on the day on the 20th on Friday. 3 inches at Mohawk, 2.5 at Ironwood, only about an inch at Iron Mountain, 2.5 at Gladstone, as well as Munising, and the most over 24 hours, over 8 inches at the National Weather Service site. And the ever-present cold is still in evidence up to the north. Temperatures way below 40 below in parts of northern Saskatchewan, so there is a big supply of cold air. Plus, there's a storm system that's coming out of the southwest. This system will definitely have effect on the weather across a wide area of the country. Here's the way it looks, and here's what we expect to happen. The system will lift out as another system drops in from the Pacific Northwest, and by Sunday, that low should be heading close to Detroit. Behind it, cold air will be working in, and here's what we expect. Saturday, a quiet day, a high pressure up to our north, general low pressure to our south. There could be some snow showers, especially over the Copper Country. Then on Sunday in the morning, low pressure should be located in northern Indiana heading toward Detroit. A heavy band of snow expected over southeast Wisconsin into the northern lower peninsula, and in the transition zone, there could be ice in places like Flint toward Grand Rapids. Eventually, the north-northeast wind will start to funnel in much colder air, and there should be enough moisture for heavy lake effect snow, especially over the north central UP around Marquette and also out toward Ironwood. That would be later on Sunday into Sunday night and early Monday. Your TV 6-day forecast. Look for temperatures to cool back as we start Christmas week. Highs will only be in the teens. Could warm up briefly on Christmas Day as a new system works in.